In front of me is HTC U12 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can add photo to text message. Begin by opening Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. When you finished, click on this icon of a paperclip located at the bottom left corner. Then select Picture option. Now select one of those sources, in my case Gallery, and tap on the photo that you wish to apply. I will go with this one. As you can see, in the matter of seconds, my photo was successfully attached. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!